How to fix public Wi-Fi login page not showing up on your iPhone. So if you're trying to connect to a public Wi-Fi and nothing is happening when you open up the internet, then it's usually the case you need to go and sign in to the Wi-Fi before you can access the data. So if the login page is not showing up, then what you can do is just type into the address bar captive.apple.com and then press enter. Now, if there's a login page available, this should take you directly over to the public Wi-Fi login. And from here, you can go and log into the Wi-Fi. Now, if it's still not showing up, what you can also try doing is typing in 1.1.1.1 and then press enter. And sometimes this is another way to take you directly over to your Wi-Fi login page. Now, if neither of these methods work, then what we're going to do is open up the settings on your phone. You're then going to click on Wi-Fi, click on the information button next to the network you're connected to, and click on forget this network at the top of the page and then press forget. You can then try reconnecting to the Wi-Fi and you can check to see if that solves your issue. If it's still not working, then come back over to the main settings page, scroll down and click on general, scroll down to the bottom and click on transfer or reset iPhone, click on reset and then select reset network settings. Once you've reset all of your network settings, you should now be able to connect to the public Wi-Fi. Let me know in the comments if you did find this video helpful and I'll see you in the next one.